Hello, my young artists. Miss Olson here. I'm going to teach you today about my imaginary friend, my alligator scissors. Helping me with this has been some art teachers who have come up with kind of a song to learn about how to use our scissors properly during art. So let me show you my pet alligator. You have to pretend with me, okay? Let's imagine. Here is his eye. This is his tummy. And can you guess what this part is right here? That's right, it's its mouth. That's right. So here's my song. Now listen and pretend with me. Ready? Here it goes. Alligator, alligator, wait. See my thumb? Put your thumb up. And see. I'm gonna put my thumb in his eye. Alligator, alligator, can't catch me. I'm gonna put my hands in his tummy just like that. Alligator, alligator, safety first. I always point my scissors away, never at, right? Alligator, alligator. Open your scissors wide for this part. Get your paper. There it is. Open wide, chomp, and open and slide it forward. Chomp, open up and slide it forward. Chomp, and then finish cutting. You've got it, all right? Now let's see how that looks a little bit harder. I'm gonna tilt you down and show you what to do. All right, I've got my alligator and I've got my paper. Now let's try it together and see what we're going to do. We're gonna start by cutting this line right here. First, let's get our song ready and see if we remember. Okay, here we go. Alligator, alligator, wait and see. Put your thumb in its eye. Alligator, alligator, can't catch me. Alligator, alligator, safety first. Keep it pointed away. Alligator, alligator. Now open up your scissors, get your paper, and we're gonna cut right on that black line. You have to turn it. Chomp, open it up, slide it forward, stay on that line, line it up, chomp, open it up, slide it forward, turn it to get it to line up, chomp, and then finish cutting right on that line. Great job. When you have finished, my friends, we're gonna move on to the next line and cut that line as well, all 4 of those lines. When we're ready, we're gonna set our scissors down. We would never take our scissors to anywhere else in the classroom. Our scissors stay safe. Our pet alligator stays safe. And with that, I can't wait to see all the amazing things that you can do with your imaginary alligator during art time. Happy art making. Bye.